Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So let's talk about how big data is getting a massive change in the businesses. So every businesses, either small or big, needs a valuable data and insight. So when it comes to understanding your target audience and customer preference, big data plays a very important role. So what is big data? Big data is a combination of processes and tools related to utilizing and managing your large data sets. So how big data is beneficial for small businesses? It helps businesses to understand customer needs better, make processes more efficient, reduce cost, increase efficiency and improve pricing. So some of the leading industries using big data solutions are hospitals, manufacturing, retails, agriculture, education, banking and government. So businesses are using big data in order to identify and mitigate risk, content analysis of unstructured data, fraud prevention and cybersecurity, forecast and price optimization. So, big data is a game changer. Many organizations are using more analytics to drive strategic action and to offer better customer experience. A slight change in the efficiency and a smaller savings can lead to a huge profit. That is why many organizations are moving towards big data. We, the Regulate AI.in, work to build a customized AI, ML and data science solution for respective problem statement. So what is data analytics? In a simple term, data analytics is a science of analyzing a raw data in order to make a conclusion. And to know more about it, stay tuned for my next video. Till then, please do connect with us to know us more. Thank you and stay safe.